I'm Abigail Kneifel, and this is question 1 of assignment 2. So question 1 is a description of the online activity, assessment, or resource, including specifics about what students and the teacher will be doing, how students are going to interact with it, me as the teacher, what's my role. So I have decided to continue on for my first assignment with a Google Slide. So this I should have mentioned, I am a 5th grade gen ed teacher, but I primarily teach reading. So this is going to be a summative assessment. This is like an end of the year big project that the students will be doing. And it is on Google Slides, and it is a book talk project. So just a quick description, students get to pick their own book. Then they have a Google Slides that I push out to them via their Google Classroom, and they have to fill it in. And it's a summative assessment because in there they have to tell me about characters and, theme and all the things that we've learned about through the year. And I want to see if they can pull it out from a story they chose and they understand it. They're able to find the information. So I'm going to show you just kind of what the book talk looks like via Google Slides. I did not create this Google Slides. I got it from Teachers Pay Teachers, and then I edited it the way I wanted to. So just disclaimer, this was off Teachers Pay Teachers, and then I edited it the way I wanted to edit it. So I just need to flip my camera. Is that possible? Okay, well, I'm just gonna turn my lovely screen. So here are the book talk directions. This is the first thing students will see. Name of Google Slide. It tells them exactly what they have to do. Moving on to slide 2. This is a checklist that I give the students, and all they have to do is click on a check and move it to what they're doing. Oh, let me go back. Sorry. I'm on present mode, so I can't actually edit it currently. So this is all the things they need to do, and it even says this is what they'll be graded on. So plot, settings, key characters, images, why should we read this book, author, they have to find the genre, etc. Then obviously the title page. So it literally lays it out piece by piece. Put your title here. Put your name here, etc., etc. There's images and all of that. So this is what the student fills in. That was just a teeny little snippet of it. But it's a whole PowerPoint that I push out to them so they know they are only in 5th grade, so they know exactly what to do. They do, of course, have, if they want to make it their own, they're more than welcome to. If they want to rearrange how the slides are put, if they need more than one slide for characters, they're welcome to add more slides. So the students are really in charge of this project, and they're really going to make it their own. They just have to make sure they have all the key things that I need. Me, the teacher, with Google Slides, it's perfect. They can just share it with me. So I'm able to check in periodically on how they're doing, making sure they are online or on task. They're, are they going to have it finished in time? Are they doing the right thing? I can go in and make notes, making sure that they are doing the right thing. If things need to be changed around, I can give them those notes in advance before it's actually graded. Also, it's super great because they can share it with their peers. So there can even be peer editing, peers helping each other out. So students can really help each other, which is fantastic. And I obviously need to facilitate this technology to them. This is a summative end of the year assessment. So by now in 5th grade, my students have already used Google Slides before. But just to give them a run through, I will create my own book talk project and I will model it for them. I'll do the entire slideshow, and I will also give them a presentation. So that's how I'm going to facilitate the knowledge to them, by actually doing it. And like I said, by now, end of the year, summative reading and assessment, the students will already know how to use Google Slides. But of course, I can always give them a run through again. So it is super interactive. My students are 1-to-1, so it is super easy for them to do this at home or any of their spare time. So once again, this is question 1 of assignment 2, and it is the description of my online activity using Google Slides and how the students will be using it.